Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. You ever have a product on Amazon that for whatever reason it says it's restricted and you want to request approval to get ungated? Well, I'm going to show you how. Okay, a lot of you have asked when you're restricted in a specific product, how do I go about requesting approval? So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I have a product right here. I'm going to put in the ASIN, and here is the product, Windy the Grasshopper All Natural Solution Baby Colic Gas Relief. So I look here and it says that I cannot sell it. And so I'm just going to simply click this request approval button. It brings you to this page, and then I'm going to hit request approval again. And then I wait. And so there's one of two things that will happen. Either it'll say, congratulations, you're approved to sell on this brand, or this pops up. When this pops up, there are steps that you either have to take or you just decide, I'm not going to sell this one. So there are a couple of different things. At least one purchase invoice from products from a manufacturer or distributor. Liquidators usually don't count for this, but you can try. You can always see if you can get direct manufacturer information from liquidators. I know some of the liquidators will work with you. And then one letter from Frida Baby authorizing you to sell the products, and then you put in your contact info. So when I get to this page, generally I don't want to take those steps, and because I order a lot from liquidation or buy straight from retail stores, I don't even mess with this, and I just decide I can't sell this item. But a lot of other times I will click request approval, and then it says congratulations, you're approved to list. And so that's how you request approval, and usually your congratulation, if you're approved right away, will happen within 5 minutes of you clicking that button. So hopefully that's been helpful. Hey everybody, I wanted to show you exactly how to request approval in a product with this item. So I'm going to put my item in here. And then my listing limitations say that I need to request approval in these different brands. And so I'm just going to simply click this orange button, request approval. It jumps to the next page. I'm going to click the request approval again and just wait. And if I am approved, it pops up this beautiful message. Congratulations, your selling application for brand Pacifica Beauty has been approved based on your performance history. So it's as easy as that. I've shown you the other way of requesting approval where you need documentation, but this one is super easy, and I'd say about 50% of my approval requests usually come through just like that. Once I request approval and get approved, if you notice, and I put the UPC code back in and I search, when I do the drop-down menu, now it shows I can sell this in new condition. Hopefully that was helpful to learn how to request approval in gated areas, and hopefully it opens up a world of opportunities for you to sell more stuff. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.